This week we're starting chapter 7, and our week 5 learning objectives are to find integrals using the method of integration by parts, and also to find integrals using the method of integration by trigonometric substitution. And these are methods that don't use technology, so you should try to do them by hand to practice that. For the big idea, well, I have two things to say. One is that these are not really methods of integration, even though that's what the math people call them. These are algebraic techniques to simplify integrals. And this is akin to integration by substitution, which the substitution didn't integrate anything. It just made the integral simpler, so it was easier to anti-differentiate. And these methods are the same. We have these fancy algebraic techniques to simplify the problem to get to a new integral, which we know how to anti-differentiate. So the big litmus test thing that you want to check is, after I use this particular algebraic technique, is the new integral I have simpler than the original integral? If yes, you're doing the right thing. If no, you need to reconsider and maybe try something else. The second big thing is these methods are pretty antiquated. Just to be honest, unless you're a math major, you will probably never use these techniques again because we have so many different ways and easier ways of doing them. But it is required. It's a big required part of this course in order for it to transfer to any four-year institution. And so I need to test it. You guys need to practice it. We need to test on it. But it's not huge in the big picture of your academic or career, unless you happen to be like really deep diving into mathematics. Okay, sticking, well, as you may know, there's a lot of algebra in these problems, so a lot of opportunities for you to practice your algebra, and perhaps a lot of opportunities to make little algebraic errors. And of course, one little error in these problems and the whole thing doesn't work out. So please go slow. Please try to practice your algebra and make sure that you have an idea of why you're doing each thing, so that you don't, so you can avoid those little mistakes. You don't have any errors that cause problems with you getting the correct answer. Just some reminders, we're working through chapter 7. After we finish chapter 7, we'll have a midterm. So start gearing up for, getting everything ready, taking good notes, and making sure that we're ready for that exam coming up in a couple of weeks. Okay. So please reach out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have an enjoyable day.